Knowing how important our child's food choices impact their future, they must understand the importance of eating healthy. And, more importantly, they need to be able to enjoy eating healthy foods. Speaking from experience, your child will consistently eat healthy foods only if they enjoy it. Otherwise, how else can they make eating healthy a lifelong habit? That's why I created Tiny Green Chef. Welcome to your first cooking lesson with us here at Tiny Green Chef. We already know that we use plant-based foods because of the healthy benefits we get from them. But how do we choose what to cook? How do we know how to combine these foods together? In this course, we are going to explore all sorts of ways on how to create creative and delicious meals. This is our first basket review of our first recipe we're going to work together on. So let's open it up and see if we can start putting some of these things to work. So let's take a look at what we have here, Kyle.